If you want to upgrade your old analog CCTV system to a modern smart IP system, this 3-minute guide explains everything clearly in a single paragraph. Start by evaluating your existing setup. Check how many analog cameras are installed, what type of DV you are using, and whether any of your wiring or power supplies can be reused. Some older analog cameras can still be integrated temporarily using video encoders or hybrid XVRS, which allows you to run both analog and IP cameras during the transition phase. Next, replace your critical or high-priority cameras such as main entrances, gates, parking areas, and cash counters with IP cameras because they offer higher resolutions like for MP, 6MP, and 8MP. Along with advanced AI analytics such as face detection, vehicle recognition, human detection, intrusion alerts, line crossing, and smart motion detection. To fully support these features, install a compatible NVR, NAS, or VMS software, depending on whether you want a standalone recorder, a network storage solution, or a professional multi-channel monitoring platform. Use PO switches or PO-enabled NVRS to power and connect all IP cameras through a single Ethernet cable, making installation simpler and more energy efficient. Set up proper IP addressing, DHCP, and subnet configuration so all cameras communicate smoothly across the network without conflicts. Test each camera individually to confirm live streaming, playback, AI notifications, night vision performance, and remote access. Configure cloud storage, local HDD storage, or hybrid recording, depending on your security needs. Finally, integrate your system with official mobile apps or desktop clients to enable remote viewing from anywhere, allowing you to receive real-time alerts for motion detection, human tracking, or suspicious activity. In 2025, upgrading to a smart IP surveillance system dramatically improves image clarity, scalability, AI-powered monitoring, and long-term reliability, all while letting you reuse some of your older infrastructure, giving you a cost-effective yet powerful path to modern, intelligent security.